Want the perfect spicy garlicky sauce in just 5 minutes with 0 preservatives? Watch this. 12 fresh red chilies, 7 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste, 2 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon oil. Remove stems from chilies and peel garlic cloves. In a blender, add chilies, garlic, sugar, salt, vinegar, and water. Blend into a smooth paste. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Pour the paste. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Stir constantly. If too thick, add a little water. Taste and adjust salt or sugar if needed. Let it cool completely. Transfer to a clean jar. No preservatives needed. Try this 5-minute chili garlic sauce today and spice up every meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick recipes.